So hi everyone, this is Rohit and this is day 33 to improve my English English spoken with no any grammatical mistake. Daily, day by day, I try to doing my best, but after I'm not try to do better. But I think that I'm doing daily mistake. This word in intro, that means I spoke daily like. This is English. I want to improve my English grammar. That I daily say. Then this is not mistake. This is a lack of practice, and this is a lack of maybe I practice, but this is a lack of not too much conscious for that. Then I thought my mind just I have to improve, and from tomorrow I will improve this. And I think today I am not at my setup that I am completing watching. I then I start from tomorrow I will start regular practice. And this day I think I thought in my mind I have to practice. Pretend now I am watching television, but I thought in my mind if I will practice 2 minutes 3 minutes, it's I can grow myself. But in movie yesterday I met a student who is a preparation of JE. That means he said to me, then if you think that means how much you are able to control on yourself, then something you cannot control yourself. And something your mind sometimes your mind says yes, you have to watch this, you have to do this. But if you control this time, that you can make and you can build a lot of things, build a community. And if you are if you will watch this, if you will watch that, then you can, what you think, you will only thought in my mind just yes, today I will do. And your mindset. And if you thought that type of mindset, that I never my mind never suggests like that. But sometimes feel like yes, today is a Saturday, today is a Sunday, and I have to not practice and I have to not do. But after all, if I will do whatever my mind says, that definitely I'm not able to express any more many more thoughts. And this is day 33. And thank you for day, because I fear why I fear that I will see you. I want to see you something that you can see. And I am not at my setup. In the setup note, this that is not my setup. Means that I can say that I have hesitation a lot in front of in I am, because I'm in my village and I have a lot of hesitation. That's why I hesitate a lot. And I see many people come from my come from my way. You can see this is the way. And this is, you can say, this is my home. And this type of things, not I don't want to introduce, I want to say anything. But after all, I want to practice. And this is a part of practice, this is not part of anything. And this is a part of practice. And I want to I know only I know only one thing, that it's a practice makes man perfect. There is no one who makes me perfect. So why I hesitate to practice. And why I am not able to practice in front of people. Because if I am learning how to speak English, then what is need to speak in front of people, in front of many students, in front of a lot of things. And if this time I hesitate with a person, with someone, that how I can build my English confidence, that is not a part of positivity, that is a part of negativity. And I try my best to clear all the things. And today you also think that means why I am not talking any topic. Because at least I am in my I am in my village, that's why I'm not able to make any videos. Make I don't want I have no any topic, really. I have no any topic, that's why I'm not making video. But today I practice. So thank you for day 33. Ooh. What, this is my gate entrance. You can see ad in front of me. This is the end of my house. Thank you.